Are you ready to turn your passion for writing into a thriving business on Amazon? Stick around because today, I'm sharing 5 powerful strategies that will skyrocket your book sales. These tips will surely transform how you approach self-publishing on Amazon. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Utilizing SEO-optimized keywords. Many people make a big mistake here and hurt their book sales a lot. SEO means making your book easier to find on search engines. You need to include keywords in your book title, subtitle, or the 7 keyword section when you upload your book. If you don't do this, your book won't show up when people search for relevant topics. Without keywords, the only way people might find your book is if you pay for ads on Amazon. To effectively utilize SEO-optimized keywords for your book, research keywords. Identify relevant keywords that your target audience is likely to search for on Amazon. Think about what terms they would use to find books like yours. Include keywords naturally. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your book title, subtitle, and the 7 keyword sections provided when uploading your book to Amazon's platform. Avoid overstuffing. Don't overuse keywords in an unnatural way. Ensure they fit naturally into your title and description while still making sense to potential readers. Monitor performance. Keep track of how well your book is ranking for these keywords. Adjust your strategy, if necessary, to improve visibility and attract more readers. Stay updated. Regularly update your keywords based on trends and changes in search behavior to maintain relevance and maximize your book's discoverability. Tip 2. Narrow down your keywords. After using keywords in your book title and doing SEO correctly, many people make the mistake of choosing keywords that are too general. These keywords have too much competition. For example, if you use animal coloring book for kids in your title, there are already 60,000 other books with that same keyword. This makes it very difficult to get your book to show up on the first page of search results, where there are only about 12 spots available out of those 60,000 competing books. Here's a simple guide on how to narrow down your keywords. Start specific. Instead of using broad terms like animal coloring book, focus on specific details like animal coloring book for toddlers. Use tools. Utilize tools like Amazon Search Suggestion to discover more specific keywords related to your niche. Check competition. Avoid keywords with too much competition. Look for keywords where your book has a better chance to stand out. Niche specificity. Consider niche variations such as age groups or specific interests, e.g. animal coloring book for toddlers with farm animals. Test and refine. Experiment with different keywords and monitor how they affect your book's visibility and sales. By narrowing down your keywords, you can increase your book's chances of ranking higher and reaching your target audience more effectively. Tip number 3. Launch your book properly. Did you know that Amazon gives a special advantage to newly released books? For the first 30 days after your book hits the virtual shelves, Amazon's algorithm gives it extra attention. This period is like a trial run for your book. Amazon tests how well it performs by showing it to more potential readers. If your book attracts clicks and sales during this crucial time, Amazon rewards it with a higher ranking in search results, possibly even placing it on the coveted first page. This visibility can significantly boost your book's chances of being discovered and purchased. However, if your book doesn't receive enough sales or clicks during this initial period, Amazon may move it down to lower ranking pages, like page 10 or even page 20. This drop in visibility can make it challenging for your book to attract new readers and sales in the future. That's why it's crucial to make a strong start when you launch your book, ensuring it catches Amazon's algorithm's attention and secures a prominent place in search results. Tip number 4. Get reviews for your book. It's crucial to gather reviews for your book. Imagine this. If your book doesn't have any reviews, and a competing book with the same keywords has 5, 10, or even more reviews, people are naturally inclined to choose the book with reviews. This is because reviews provide social proof that others have found the book valuable. Unless your book offers a unique perspective or something distinct that sets it apart, potential readers may hesitate to choose yours when they see others have already endorsed a similar book. Therefore, actively seeking reviews can significantly enhance your book's credibility and appeal to potential buyers. To gather numerous reviews for your book, consider these effective strategies. Offer free copies. Provide complimentary copies of your book to individuals who might be interested in your genre or topic. You can approach potential reviewers through platforms like Goodreads, book clubs, or relevant social media groups. Request reviews. Politely ask readers who enjoyed your book to leave a review on Amazon or other platforms. You can include a gentle reminder at the end of your book or in your author bio. Engage on social media. Engage with your followers on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Share excerpts from your book and encourage your audience to share their thoughts and reviews. Run promotions. During book launches or promotional periods, offer discounts or special deals in exchange for honest reviews. This can incentivize readers to leave feedback. Follow Amazon's guidelines. Ensure all reviews adhere to Amazon's guidelines to maintain their legitimacy and avoid penalties. By employing these methods consistently and courteously, you can encourage readers to provide valuable feedback that enhances your book's visibility and credibility. Tip number 5. Pay attention to your book. Cover. Your book cover plays a crucial role in attracting readers. Even if your book has excellent content, if the cover doesn't look appealing, people might not give it a chance. A good cover not only grabs attention, but also makes potential readers curious about what's inside. So, investing in a well-designed cover can significantly increase your chances of selling more books and reaching more readers. Here's how you can improve your book cover. Understand your audience. Know who your book is for and what will appeal to them visually. Consider their age group, interests, and expectations. Research. Look at best-selling books in your genre to get a sense of design trends and what works well. Pay attention to colors, fonts, and imagery. Choose the right image. Select an image that represents the essence of your book. This could be a striking photograph, an illustration, or a symbolic graphic. Ensure it relates to your book's theme or genre. Typography. Use clear and readable fonts for the title and author name. Experiment with different fonts that complement your book's genre and theme. Ensure the text stands out clearly against the background. Color scheme. Choose colors that evoke the mood or theme of your book. Consider how colors work together and their psychological impact on viewers. Layout. Arrange elements, title, subtitle, author name, imagery, in a balanced and visually appealing way. Follow design principles such as hierarchy and symmetry to guide the reader's eye. Professional design tools. Use design software like Adobe Photoshop, Canva, or hire a professional graphic designer. Ensure your cover meets industry standards for resolution and quality. As we wrap up, you learned the 5 essential tips for boosting book sales on Amazon. 1. Utilize SEO keywords. 2. Narrowing down niche keywords. 3. Effective launch. 4. Get reviews. 5. Creating an effective book cover. Thanks for watching. Now here's a question for you. How do you plan to improve your book's visibility on Amazon? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Profitability Plus for more tips on maximizing your book sales and passive income strategies. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. See you next time.